Easy Peach Cobbler. Start with 10 cups of cubed peaches. Add in half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a squeeze of lemon, a teaspoon of vanilla. Now you can gently stir it all up. Let's move on to the dry ingredients. First, start with 2 cups of flour. Now you can go ahead and add half a cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Once you've combined all the dry ingredients, go ahead and sift it. Add in your cold butter. Now begin forming the dough by rubbing the butter into the dry ingredients to form flakes. There should be very few clumps, as it will be a powder. Add in your buttermilk and stir to form a dough. Inside a large 9x13 Pyrex, lay out your peach mixture and cover with the dough. In this case, you should not be worrying about perfection. Cover the dough with your egg, milk, sugar, and cinnamon mixture. Bake your cobbler at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until the dough is golden brown. Remove the cobbler from the oven and cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve your cobbler with ice cream and enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing and checking out my other recipes.